This video looks at how to change the displayed accuracy of calculations. First, let's calculate this value in run matrix. The default display gives 10 digits. Sometimes it may be useful to change these settings. To change the display format, press Setup and scroll down to Display. To set the number of decimal places, select Fix, then enter the number required and execute. Exit and perform a calculation. The display is now rounded to the accuracy shown in the status bar. Notice that even when the displayed answer is rounded, the calculated value is retained for calculations. Use a similar method to set the number of significant figures. The default display can easily be reset. To return to the normal display, navigate to Display as before and select Norm for Normal 1. Exit and perform a calculation. Some small values may be displayed in standard form. If so, select Norm again for Normal 2.